Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our channel Lavish Look Station. I hope you are doing well. So now let's start my new video friends. Today I am going to review very popular skincare product Skinoren Cream. If you are struggling with acne, melasma, blemishes, comedone, pigmentation or uneven skin tone, you will want to watch this video till the end. Friends, Skinoren Cream is a dermatologist recommended treatment that contain Azelaic Acid as its main active ingredients. These ingredients help fight acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, face the pigmentations, and improve overall skin texture over time. And friends, Skinoren Cream comes in a white tube with a screw cap, making it hygienic and easy to use. The cream itself is light and absorbs quickly into the skin. Now let's talk about Skinoren Cream uses and benefits. Friends, Skinoren Cream treats the mild to the moderate acne, reduce the post-acne dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Friends, Skinoren Cream help in the treating melasma and stubborn blemishes, improves the uneven skin tone and pigmentation, and control the excess oil production. And friends, next I will show you how to use this cream for the best result. Apply only a pea-size amount of Skinoren Cream to clean dry skin twice a day, morning and evening. Massage gently until use absorb. Always use sunscreen and moisturize it during the day whole using this cream to prevent pigmentation from the worsening. Before you try it, let's check the possible side effects you should know about. Friends, some people may experience mild burning, itching, or redness during the first few days, but this usually goes away as your skin adjusts to the product. Now that we know the precaution, let's see the price and where you can get it. Friends, Skinoren Cream is available at most pharmacies and online stores for around 755 rupees and 750 rupees. Finally, here my honest opinion on whether Skinoren Cream is worth it. And friends, in my opinion, Skinoren Cream is a great option of those dealing with acne, melasma, blemishes, or dark spots. However, patience is key. You may start seeing visible result in 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. If you have tried Skinoren Cream, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more on skincare reviews. Friends, we will meet you in the next video. So take care and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.